Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time stop by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY headband wig using expression braiding hair. So I did cut two for the expression braiding hair, but I didn't show on camera where I was doing the cutting. So can you please keep on watching this amazing tutorial? I really appreciate each and every one of you. As you can see, I'm wrapping around my Brazilian wool on my clothing rack. Then this is the expression hair I'm going to be using. I did cut two. So I section out the hair I'm going to braid. Just do a normal braid. You can make it bigger than this. Just do normal braiding. That is all. It's not a must for it to be tiny. Make sure the braids are big so that it won't take a lot of your time. You can see what I'm doing, just normal braiding. I didn't show the part I was dipping this hair into the hot water. It was so painful. After finish braiding it, I dip it into the hot water. Then I added conditioner. Make sure you add conditioner. It will make it to be soft. It's very important to add conditioner into the hot water. Then I dip the hair into it. I allow it to air dry. Allow it to air dry. It's very important for it to air dry before you unravel the hair. So you can see what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing now. Sorry, I'm unraveling the hair. We are going to take down the braid. So after we finish taking down the braid, then we have to brush it. That is the effects of the, how will I put it, the natural looking wig we want. Yes, let me put it that way. So you have to unravel it, then you have to brush it. It's very important for you to brush, and please make sure you brush from the tip then to the up parts. Very important. have a tutorial on my channel on how you can achieve your own amazing headband wig. So I didn't really show this part a lot like that. So if you want to check that tutorial out, how I achieve this headband, I said headband wig cap. So kindly please check that out, and please do not forget to give this video a huge like, and please, if you've not subscribed, please allow this channel to grow more than this, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you for your support, for your love, for coming back to watch. I really appreciate. But please make sure you like this video and subscribe. I really appreciate that so much. So guys, check out the final look. This hair is giving what is supposed to be giving. This hair came out so beautiful. If you don't want it to be full like mine, feel free to do that. You can achieve that amazing. And this hair came out so soft with the help of the conditioner I added into the hot water. So that is all for the tutorial. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Bye.